So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert a comment in Google Slides. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, go into your presentation, press on the presentation that you want to add a comment into, and it's very, very simple. At this top bar right here at the top, go to where the plus icon is. So about 3 options over from the right, press on the plus icon. So once you're here, you can go ahead and press on where it says comment. So insert a comment right here, press on comment, and it's pretty simple. So if you wanted to add a comment, we can say, for example, this is the title page, make it a red background, or whatever the comment may be. Once that is done, press on this arrow right here, this blue arrow at the right, press on that, and there you go. So now if you're on this screen, for example, you can press on the first thing right here. The comment is now added. It says one comment right here. You can press on where it says view. And it says this is the title page, make it a red background. You can exit out of that, and there you go. So that's pretty much how to insert a comment here in Google Slides using the Google Slides mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.